Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel TechPwn. In this video I'm going to show you how you can find out if someone has blocked you on Instagram. To learn how to do it, please make sure to stick with us till the end of the video and follow our instructions correctly. So without further ado, let's get started. So the very first step is to open your Instagram application on your mobile device. So right now I am at the home page of the application. So if you want to check that your friend has blocked you but you don't know that if they have blocked you, so if you have messaged this friend on Instagram, check that. So I have messaged my friend, so you can see the second, so you can see that there is an account name that says this is Johan, he was my friend. So just tap on it. So I have messaged him on Instagram, so now tap on it. So now you can see that you are not friends with him anymore and you cannot see his picture or anything at all. This means that this friend has blocked you. If this happens, it's 100% sure that your friend has blocked you. So now I hope that you know how you can find out if someone has blocked you on Instagram. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to drop like and subscribe to our channel. We'll keep posting videos like this. See you in the next video.